Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to export and import Valeton preset. Let's get started. So basically what you heard was a Vox based amp. I'm using a tube screamer. I have a compressor in front of the entire signal. I also have a tube screamer. I'm using the Timmy OD, and then I'm using this particular Vox amp with this particular setting. This is where my noise gate is, and I'm using a custom IR. It's a greenback cabinet. This is how my EQ looks like, and my modulation, my delay, and then my reverb. So now, supposing, let's say, I want to export this particular patch. So there are two buttons over here. This to import. When you click it, it will show like this. So import patches. That is what I'll do later on. But in this case, I would like us to export this particular patch. So let's click this. Let me first add our name. Okay, Crosby Guitars. It has like a rock type of vibe. I think I did this somewhere in October. I don't remember exactly when. 2023. So we can save this. Okay, so now that we have all of those things there, now we can click this button that looks to the right to export, and then we will say okay. So when it usually exports in this particular version, I'm using version 1.30 of the Valeton software and then the firmware. It doesn't export both the patch and then the IR that came with it. So because there's a custom IR, it only gets the just the patch settings without this. So I think this at my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so it's at the 10th position of the IR. I'll do a separate video concerning the IR, so stay tuned. So basically now we've been able to export our patch. So if let's say we want to import our patch, usually it is advisable to choose a spot on the bank that has nothing on there. So you realize when I click this particular spot, you realize the compressor, everything, amp, cabinet, EQ, modulation, delay, reverb is off. The only thing that's on is the volume. So when I play something now, so basically that is how it is. So that's basically how this particular setting, or let me say this particular blank patch looks like. So now this where you import the patch that you exported, or supposing let's say you downloaded a particular patch somewhere online, or someone shared a patch with you that you want to import. This is how you also go about it. So you click the button, this particular button that looks to the left, and it will show this, and then it will allow you to select the patch or the preset that you want to import. So this is what we exported. I would like to select it, and when I click the open, it will ask me the patches over there will be overwritten. So meaning if I had something already there, it will be overwritten. So I'll demonstrate that as well. So now when I say continue, you realize the patch is imported. And also the reason why this particular cabinet is showing over here is because the patch settings that I did, it marked the cabinet to use the 10th user IR. I don't know, my board, it has something there. So if I had nothing there, you realize it will be a very blank signal. And when you play, you wouldn't hear anything because there's nothing there. So now, supposing, let's say you already have a particular patch already that you probably don't like, and you want to replace it with another patch that you downloaded somewhere or you created and exported somewhere. So with the same position, the 42A, you click this button again to import patches. Now I'm going to look for this. Okay. And then it does the magic. So this is how it sounds like. Basically, that is how it sounds like. So supposing I have a patch, let me use a different patch that's much cleaner. Yeah, I think this is much cleaner. So I'm replacing it with this particular patch, and it does that. So listen to how this one also sounds. So basically, this is how to import and export patches. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.